Listen, what happens in the meat, dairy, and egg industries right now has nothing to do with the circle of life. We, humans, breed innocent animals into existence for one reason only: to murder them. We put them in these factory farms where their whole lives are suffering. Chickens suffer terribly. They can't even open their wings. They're so tightly confined together, and they murder them at 7 weeks old. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that you can be vegan. Anyone can be vegan at any stage of development. And in fact, you're born vegan. When you're born, your mother's milk was meant for you, and you never stole from anyone. It wasn't your fault that your parents shoved dead animals down your throat. So you can return and be vegan like you were before. It's so easy. Just go to howdoigovegan.com, and if you want recipes, you can go to bosch.tv. Thanks for being here.
Go to howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com.
What meat eaters say. Vegan food is gross. What meat eaters do. Consume flesh, blood, pus, and other bodily secretions. What meat eaters say. Live and let live. What meat eaters do. Have others killed.
Jesus is vegan now, and God is too. If you want to get to heaven, you better be vegan too. Fuck milk, cheese, eggs, or any kind of meat. Buy broccoli, tofu, and vegan food to eat. God wants us to be kind to the animals, or it's true, you risk getting roasted on the devil's barbecue.
You're at McDonald's right now? Well, first of all, I want to thank you for thinking about me while you were at McDonald's. That happens to a lot of people, actually. They end up being at McDonald's and then remembering that that vegan teacher doesn't like it, and then they grab their phones and then they make sure that they tell me about it on TikTok or Instagram or on my YouTube channel. So thanks for thinking about me. It shows me that I am doing a great job in reminding people that veganism exists and that we should think about the animals. So while you're at McDonald's, you're asking, what is it that I want? Well, what I want you to do is to stand up on the countertop, just climb up there and stand up there and say, everybody should be vegan from now on. And even sing the song, eating animals is wrong, McDonald's. Hurting animals is wrong, McDonald's. Share this song and be vegan from now on. Get your friends to film you and send me the footage. Have a great day. What meat eaters say. You should be helping humans instead. What meat eaters do. Support animal agriculture, the leading cause of human disease and starvation. What meat eaters say. Stop forcing your opinion on me. What meat eaters do. Kill animals because of their own opinion. I'm so proud of you for eating vegan cereal. I'm so proud of you for drinking soy milk too. I'm so proud of you. Way to go. What next? Oat milk? I'm so proud of you for eating vegan ice cream. I'm so proud of you. Now nobody has to cry. I'm so proud of you, 'cause no baby cows had to die. Good job. Do you know what the word literal means? Literally means to actually do it, okay? So like, I'm literally touching my scarf now. I'm actually doing it. Nobody is literally forcing you to do anything. I'm standing here. I'm in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I have no idea where you are in the world. I don't have my hands on you. I'm not grabbing you by the throat and forcing any food down you right now. Okay? I'm not ripping the knife out of your hand as you're cutting a steak. I'm not forcing you to do anything. Not literally, not in any way whatsoever. But it's interesting that you feel that way. So maybe examine why that is. How guilty do you feel hurting those animals that you imagine that I'm forcing you to be vegan? What meat eaters say? Stop attacking me. What meat eaters do? Pay others to stab animals to death.
Being vegan doesn't mean that you just do your best not to eat, wear, or use animals. Being vegan also means you bravely speak out to defend them.
I'm so proud of you, you had some vegan pizza. I'm so proud of you, you had some vegan ham too. I'm so proud of you. Tomorrow, vegan lasagna. You got it.
La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna.
I'm so proud of you, you had some vegan bacon. I'm so proud of you, you had some vegan sausage too. I'm so proud of you. Way to go. Good job. Tomorrow you can have oatmeal.
And speciesism, and speciesism, and speciesism, be kind to the animals. And vegan phobia, and vegan phobia, and vegan phobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah!
I'm so proud of you for not being vegan phobic. I'm so proud of you for being vegan fantastic. I'm so proud of you. Good job eating the salad too.
Plants have protein, they really, really do. Being vegan is healthy, you know it's true. Plants have protein, they really, really do. So why the fuck aren't you vegan yet? No more excuses for you. Happy